Hi student, standard 10th, subject social science, chapter number 2, cultural heritage of India, traditional handicraft and fine arts, and video number 7. If you remember, in video number 6 we talk about dramatic art and Bhavai. Now dramatic art will recap it for 1 minute only. Presenting sanskar with entertainment is a unique feature of dramatic art, and especially Indian dramatic art. Another thing is that audience are entertained by the anchors and funny pair of clowns. Apart from this, dramatic art is an amalgamation of all the arts. It means in drama you can find all kinds of arts. The first drama of Bharat Muni was Devasur Sangram, and in Sanskrit literature we have well-renowned dramatist, and in that Bhas is the poet of poets among them. The dramas of Kalidas is Abhigyam, Sakuntalam, Vikramo, Vashiyam, Malvignimitram. Apart from that, the Gujarati dramatists are also were there. In that Jayasankar Sundari is foremost in dramatic art of Gujarati. Bapulal Nayak, Amrut Nayak, Dina Pathak, Jaswant Thakur, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Ghiwala. These are the other Gujarati dramatists. Then we talk about Bhavai. Bhavai is the, you can say, emotion-oriented drama. In that we talk about Bhavai started by Asai Thakur before 700 years ago, and Ramdev, Jandajulan, Kajoda are the main characters disguised or main features of the Bhavai. Even though the characters of Rangla and Rangli are to promote the programs like girl education and save girl child. So this is the recap of chapter video number 6. Now today's our topic is that folk dances of Gujarat. Now as we all know that when we are talk about Gujarat, we all like the dances of Gujarat. So today our interesting topic is that folk dances of Gujarat. There are varied dances forms belonging to different communities of Gujarat. These dance forms are according to the traditions and customs. So let's start or explore this topic. So first one, tribal dance of Gujarat. Now tribal dance, why they have given the name tribal dance? Because tribal peoples are doing this dance. It means Adivasi people, those who are living in the forest area. So that is why they have given the name tribal dance. Now as usual I will write here the main features of each. So first of all, tribal dances or tribal dance of Gujarat is seen at the time of, it means we find the dances in Gujarat generally or majority at the time of festivals, marriages, even though in fairs also we find some of the dances. Now, and to please the god and goddesses. So I'll write here, and to please now next point is that most of the dances are performed by forming a circle along with the various traditional musical instruments like drum, traditional manjira, dholak, with songs in a regional languages. As usual, if you see that the tribal dances, I hope that you have heard or seen also that majority this dance is done in forming the circle. So another point, in the dance, in the dance form known as Chado, I make the underline Chado. The characters here, the characters imitate different bird creatures like peacock. It means birds like peacock, squirrel, and sparrow. Now what happened here? It means in this shadow dance the characters are imitate means that they are copying of these three things: peacock, squirrel, and sparrow. Now another example of is dance like Malino Chado and Thakario Chalo are seen in Dang. It means these are the two famous dance of Dang. Dang is the name of place. Apart from this, Tippani dance of laborers performed by Bill and Koli community. So these are the two communities, they perform the Tippani dance. I think so you have seen that also in our marriage functions. Sometimes we are also performing this dance. Generally what happen in this dance, they perform this dance according to, we can say that regional traditions, that in a group they are forming a circle and having a thick sticks which join with a small stick and stuck onto the ground and make a sound. Understood? It means what happened here, they will be having a thick stick in their hand and it will be joining with the small stick, and they are you can say struck onto the ground and make the noise, or you can say make the sound. So this is the tribal dance of Gujarat. Another one is our most favorite, Garba. Yes, when we heard the name Garba, some energy increase in our body. Now, so first of all, the word Garba is derived from the word Garbhadeep. Apart from this, what happened? Earthen lamp is placed in a hold, earthen pot. Dancers keep it on their head and move around in a circle. I think so that I not require too much explanation in this dance because we all have familiar with this. Okay, it is also formed in the circle. But most important thing is that Garba performed during Navratri festival. I write here, Garba are performed during Navratri festivals in Hindu month, Hindu calendar month, we can say Hindu calendar month, Aso Sud Ekam, Aso Sud Ekam to Aso Sud Nom or Navami, we can say, and sometime Dasam also, on Sarat Purnima also. Now, Gujarati people perform and sing Garba to worship. Why we are performing Garba? To worship. To worship and pray Adya Shakti, or you can say goddess of power, Mother Jagdamba. Mother Jagdamba. Now Manvi is kept in the center of the ground along with the strokes of hands and beats of drums. And generally we are playing ek tali, be tali and tron tali Garba in Navratri festivals. Now another one is a part of it, we can say Garbi. Now Garbi is what? It is a different part of it. Garbi is a poetry known as a, mostly in our region. Generally what happened, Garba and Garbi chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. As you all know that Garba and Garbi, I will write here, Garba and Garbi is chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. And Gujarati poet Dayaram, please remember the name Dayaram, wrote some poems in Gujarati which made the ladies sing the colorful and emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna's love. So Dayaram is a well-known person who wrote these Garbi, and generally the ladies sing and perform this Garbi for the Krishna's love. So we have completed this. Now we'll take another topic. Next one is Ras. Now Ras is a dance to be performed in circle along with singing, and there is a story that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to devotee Narsi Mehta. Now, Ras is mostly performed in Gujarat during the Navratri and Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Ras is one of its types, as you all know that Dandiya Ras is one of its types. I write here Dandiya Ras is one of its types. Now, due to increasing influence of Vaishnava sect, Ras has become more popular. As we all know that due to increasing, I will not write this point, but please listen it carefully. Due to increasing influence of Vaishnava sect, Ras has become more popular. But last point, it's most important that women where traditional dresses like chaniya choli and men wear केडिया dhoti when they perform ras. So it's a very simple, it's a 2 marks question, so please remember it. Now another topic is that other dances of Gujarat. Now please listen that maybe these dances you have might not seen also and not heard also, so please listen it carefully. Okay, first one is that in that a Dhamal dance. Name only suggests that something is different. Dhamal dance of Siddhis. Now here a Siddhis is the name of tribe, so please remember Dhamal dance. Generally what happen in Dhamal dance, they are doing a Dhamal, we can say. Siddhis presently residing in Jambur village in center of Gir, but originally they are belong to Africa. It is a caste or community from Africa, those who come in India and settle here, and they perform this dance. It is called Dhamal dance by Siddhis. Now here what happened, how they are performing this dance? They perform the dance by arithmetically striking the mashira. Mashira means what? Wearing a peacock feather and holding a small drums. If you seen that, or small drums in ahead of their body, they kept and forming a circle. And finally, they dance with a high-low pitch intonations of ho-ho sound. Generally in their dance, they are forming, or you can say having this ho-ho sound. Apart from this, they dance in a group imitating the voice of animals and birds. I mention here, they dance in a group imitating the voice of animals and birds. On internet also you can find this, the audio or you can say video of this Dhamal dance. Now another one is that we'll having the 3 dance together: Merayo dance, Padhar dance, and the last one is Koli and Mer dance. Koli and Mer dance. So now we'll start. First of all, we'll take a Surendranagar region, the people of Padhar community. So I will write here first one, Padhar dance. It's in Surendranagar region. Generally this Padhar community dance with the tal and lay of Dandiya and Manjira. So Surendranagar region, Padhar community only. Padhar community perform this dance with Dandiya and Manjira. Now, Merayo dance, it is well known in the Banaskantha region, and generally it is also performed on the drum beats and sword tricks. In this Merayo dance, I write here, Merayo dance, it is in Banaskantha region, and what is the characteristics? This dance also perform on a drum beats with a sword tricks. Okay, now this dance also is completed. Now last one is this Koli and Mer dance. Now this Koli and Mer dance is famous in Saurashtra region. Saurashtra region. Now here in Saurashtra region they perform this dance, Koli and Mer dance. Generally, similarly, Mer dance is also of Saurashtra, but a Bharwar tribe are well known for this dance. Now in the Koli dance, they decorated with a embroidered and mirrors filled or tied with the green colored embroidered belt, and that belt they were tied on their waist also. So this is the tribal dances, or you can say folk dances of Gujarat that we have completed, and I hope that today the lesson is completed. So please be careful while writing the worksheet or assignment. Check it carefully, each and everything. Okay, thank you students.